This is Annie sleeping on
New Year's Day, passed out on New Year's Day.
This is all of our bed, so she is not going to be able to sleep like that because we all need to fit on that bed. So, here's our plan to get her off.
Alright, step one. We need to get that off.
Step one, I'm sleeping in the middle, so...
We need to get this leg right there.
Okay, here again. This leg, we need over here. So...
We need to get that arm and lift around.
Bryn,
that arm and lift around over there.
Here, Bryn, take this. I'll show you.
I love how she's sleeping. Annie!